So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug and then replug your USB device. See if that works. For the second method, you want to head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works. For the next method, you want to head it with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on your computer name one time and then click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Now once you've done that, we're now going to expand universal serial bus controllers. And now once you've expanded this, you may be seeing your USB mass storage device. I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, if you're seeing USB mass storage device, then you want to right click on it and then click on properties. And now you want to go to the power management tab. It's now going to be saying for you, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You want to untick this and then click on OK. See if that fixes your problem. And now for the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. And now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.